In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Webull account with a QR code. This is a quick way to get into Webull's desktop or web platform using your phone, without needing to type your password into a computer. Let's dive right in. On the Webull desktop app or on the website's login page, look for the Scan QR code option, usually sitting right alongside the regular email and password login fields. Grab your phone and open the Webull mobile app, making sure you're already logged in there. This method actually uses your existing mobile session to approve the new login, rather than asking you to enter your password all over again. Look for a scan or QR icon within the mobile app, generally somewhere near the login or account area, and use it to scan the code showing on your desktop or browser screen. Once it recognizes the code, your desktop or web session logs in automatically, no typing required at all. One alternative worth knowing: if you'd rather not use the QR method, or your phone just isn't handy in the moment, you can always log in the standard way instead, using the same email or phone number and password you already use on mobile. The QR option is just a convenience, not the only way in. And that covers it. Pull up the QR code on desktop, scan it from your already logged in mobile app, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.